back everyone. Saturday afternoon. 3:40. Pretty windy out right now, so it's not really that fun. It's kind of people getting kind of blown away. No, the tents and stuff, kind of blown. And muy bonita. Found a bunch of seashells. What was I saying? Yeah, the tide was out a little bit earlier, 150, 149, I think they said, but it didn't come out. So, now pretty windy, and there's a few people out in the water, like 10. Not as many, but the water's still kind of warmish. Just the water, the wind making the water cold, making you cold when you get out of the water. That's all. So. Primo's back. Yeah, that's a good sign. I thought that was his tent down there. Primo's back. Yeah, that was a rough time without him right there. Not going to be the same. Never going to be the same. Once he leaves, it's all over. You got to be here and keep stuff running. Thank you guys again for all the new subscribers. Thanks for watching the videos. I only have a few minutes, so I'm just going to walk down and see if I can get all of the in front of the Papas and Beers and Club Bombay and all down through there. Let's see if I can get down through there, but it's quite a ways and I don't want to be late for the kids. So try to get a little peep of that, and that'll be about it. I'm gonna have to shuffle, move, almost run back to make it back in time, so I don't get them mad. But yeah, it's a beautiful, gorgeous, sunny day. Very nice. A little bit windy. No clouds still. I saw one way over there in the back behind me over there one time. A little bit this morning, but not a very big one. Waves look kind of vicious, so I don't know about going out there. Trying not to drink any soda anymore. That's pretty rough. My stomach's kind of messed up, but I'm trying to drink other stuff. It's not even close to soda, like bone broth and things like that. So but yeah, the water is kind of warm, nice, beautiful. Cooling off though quickly. This morning it seemed warmer. Now it seems a little bit cooler. Everybody's got their tents all tipped over because the wind's so powerful. You gotta have them tipped at an angle so you can hide behind the wind instead of getting your umbrella blown away. Looks like the one people back there are looking for clams. It's still a good time. Cold. Nice. at that big dog. That's a little tiny dog, and he's vicious. Wow. He was barking at him. That's the biggest Jack right there. It's hard to see him over there, and I'm gonna zoom in, but yeah, it is getting somewhat chilly. It's by the breeze and stuff. Walking around. There's a lot of people up on the pier. A lot of people and music and stuff going on down here. That's a good sign. A few kids out in the water. guys for the subscribers. Thanks for watching the videos. See you at the beach.